guys, we are on our way to look for a spot to shoot. It just rained, so everything's wet right now, a little foggy, so we'll find a place to shoot a couple shells off. What's up, guys? Got 2 more shells. Brocade crown to red tips. This is a Cobra 5-inch, and then we got smoke and mirrors. So we'll try to hit 2 of these at another parking lot. So yeah, let's do it. All right, we got the smoke and mirrors going up first. All right, here goes the Cobra Kai. Time to dip. Time to dip. Oh man, that was a giant break on that 5-inch. Both really loud, just ricocheting off of that building. That was awesome. So stay tuned for the other video.